So, ratio. The gold reserves for 3 countries are listed below. So we have India, 120 AU. We have the United States of America, 180 AU. Germany, 60 AU. Now, the first question is calculate the ratio of the gold reserves for the 3 countries listed below. So we have India having 120, the USA having 180, and Germany having 60 AU. Now, how would you approach this question? So based on the previous video, what would you do first? In the previous video, we looked at 2 items. In this question, we have 3 items, right? So we have India, which is 1, the USA is 2, and Germany is 3. So we have 3 countries, while in the previous video, in the introductory section, we had 2 objects. We had the lime and the apple. So how would you approach it? Well, it's a little bit different, right? So you have to apply what you learn and put in a little bit of math thinking. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to total the gold amount for the 3 countries. So when we add India having 120, the United States having 180, and Germany having 60 AU, we get a total of 360 AU. Were you able to get that answer? All right. All right, step 2. So that's step 1. Step 2, we're going to divide the amount of gold deposits for each country by the total of the 3 countries. And the total, as we did in the previous slide, is 360 AU. So therefore, we would have India having 120 divided by 360. And that would give you, when you simplify the fraction, you would get 1 to 3. This is a ratio. Or from the previous video, it could also be written with a colon, which is 1 to 3, or as a fraction, 1/3. Or the United States had 180 AU. We divide it by the total 360, and we get, when we simplify the fraction, in terms of representing it as a ratio, we get 1 to 2, or 2:2, or 1 divided by 2 as a ratio, right? And then finally, we have Germany having 60 AU divided by the total 360. So we get, as a ratio, 1 to 6, or 1:6, or 1/6 as the fraction representing the ratio. This brings us to the end of today's video on the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh, your CAD resource. In today's video, we looked at the calculation of the ratio of reserves for the 3 countries, which were India, the United States, and Germany. We thank you for joining us. And in today's video, we looked at ratios, solving a math question problem. In the next video, we'll be looking at percentages. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.